I've been Amazon and eBay drop shipping for 3 months now.
This is at a $10,000 in 30 days. It took you less than 3 months. How much profit do you think is on that 10,000?
20%. I usually make around 100 a day. $100 profit a day minimum.
Okay.
I was on 100% markup, but I dropped down to 80. I was
Okay.
at 100 with the 10% sale event, and now I'm doing 80 with the 5. I do minimum about 20 snipes a day. I was doing 100 bulk listing and then like 20 sniping. Some days I do like 40 to 50 snipe. I actually think a lot of my bulk listings sell. Not a lot of sniped items would sell, but I definitely think they bring a lot more traction to my store, and those bring sales.
All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine, and in this video, we have Jared. I've had Jared twice on the channel before. We'd seen him at $4,000 in sales in 30 days, at 8,000, and now he's hit another milestone, hit 10,000. And we were talking a bit about sales and so on before we recorded, but we'll get into that in a second. So like the video, subscribe. Jared, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Jared. I'm 18 years old and I'm from California. I've been Amazon and eBay drop shipping for 3 months now. I'm on my 3rd month and it's been great.
Right. Okay, sweet. So guys, what we're trying to, with some of these videos, with documenting what is happening, we're trying to kind of outline what he's been doing, what could be changed and different changes so we could all learn from it. So that's kind of like, this is at a $10,000 in 30 days. It took you less than 3 months. So this is an interesting
Yeah.
thing. You want to share your screen really quickly?
Yeah, let me get it.
And what margin, how much profit do you think is on that 10,000? Maybe 20%?
Yeah, probably around 20%. I usually make around 100 a day, $100 profit a day minimum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So it will be a little more than 20%.
I was on 100% markup, but I dropped down to 80. I was at
Okay.
100 with the 10% sale event, and now I'm doing 80 with the 5.
So you're doing 5% sales event. And you're saying that you haven't run sales for a few days.
Yeah. So the past 4 days, I haven't been at my house much, so I've been kind of slacking off. And I think when my activity kind of dropped, so did my sales, and also no sale events. So I think
Right. I mean, it's steady sales. I did a video with Oliver. I didn't post that yet either, where we looked at the difference in sales, and he thinks he gets, like, I think he overstated it. He thinks he gets half the amount of sales from sales events, but I think it's maybe 20%.
Yeah, I honestly I think my 5% sale events do better than my 10%. I think so.
You'll be seeing more sales that way.
Yeah. I
Okay.
also want to try 20 because I heard that's good.
You'll have to go up to like 120% or
Yeah,
something.
Markup. Yeah.
So when you started, what did you do? You just listed, is this all bulk listing? Did you do some product substitution? What are you doing on a daily basis?
Yeah. I do minimum about 20 snipes a day.
Mhm.
I started that from I was doing 100 bulk listing and then like 20 sniping.
And how long have you been
And
doing the 20 sniping? The entire time or?
yeah, the entire time.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And then about maybe like a month ago, I started trying to do some product stuff,
Mhm.
but I kind of I kind of like sniping better. I think product stuff is definitely very time consuming. It's very easy to
Yeah.
kind of like slack off and go on your phone. So yeah, snipe. Some days I do like 40 to 50 snipe.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'll also, if I just see a similar product that I could like product sub right next to it, I'll also product sub that.
Okay, so that's what you're doing. So right. So you add 9,000 listings. So yeah, that math works out.
Yeah.
And what do you think? Do you see a decent percent through the sniping activity, or what do you think?
I actually think a lot of my bulk listings sell. Not a lot of sniping, not a lot of sniped items would sell, but I definitely think they bring a lot more traction to my store, and those bring sales.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's the
Yeah.
opposite to Oliver. Oliver sells like 80% of his items through sniping and product substitution, and only
Really?
20%. Yeah. But I think he lists like 60 a day. He was listing like
Sniping?
16 sniping or product substitution a day.
Yeah. How that would probably be like three or so hours.
Yeah.
2 hours. Yeah, I definitely want to some days have set days where I could just sit down for 3 hours and just snipe 60 items.
And can we look at your
Yeah.
traffic really quickly?
Yeah. So
Go to performance, go
these were
on
the
top.
days
Right, performance and
in sales.
traffic.
Oh, traffic.
Yeah, you can see the lower traffic in the 4 days you're talking about. One day there's have, if you look at the chart, scroll up. Yeah, for 2 days
Yeah.
it had zero paid ad traffic.
Wow, yeah. So yeah, I think these were the days. Yeah, Thursday. So my activity dropped this day until basically today.
Right,
I didn't even I wasn't able to list the past two day. I didn't list yesterday. So I'm
right.
gonna probably do 200 today to try to make up for it.
And you have 4 million impressions. Okay. So guys, if you
Is that
want,
good?
yeah, that's pretty good. That's I have to look at Hunter. I can't remember how much impressions Hunter had,
But he is a lot.
but he's selling just about how much you're selling with double the amount of listings. So you're doing really well.
Wow. Yeah, I'm excited to prune. I'm excited
Yeah,
to
you
prune.
haven't at all, or have you?
No, I haven't pruned.
Okay,
So I'm trying
okay.
to really get to 10,000, just prune, and then I'm gonna get a mini PC at the end of this month. Start up my next account at the end of next month.
Okay, sweet. So basically, the kind of plan is to get each account up to at least 10,000 listings. You'll make $2,000 to $3,000 profit a month. And once you get there, you could open the second account and third account and scale that way. There's a little difference to Oliver's strategy where he does a lot of sniping and product substitution. So he keeps like 6 or 7,000 listings a month, but he and makes $3,000 to $4,000 a month per account. But it's just a difference in strategy, right? So if you guys have any
Yeah,
questions, you can ask in the comment section. We'll put a link to our community, to free resources. Subscribe for like follow-ups to see where we take this journey with Jared. If you want to get access to Ecom Sniper, which is the software we use, and I'll show you guys how to use that. I'll put a link in the description, but like and subscribe. But thanks for your time, Jared. I think we'll make a follow-up video in a couple of days. And we
sounds
have
good.
to do a presentation where we show these guys how to list, how to do sniping.
Yeah, like a longer form video.
No, just a more like how to.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
All right. Thanks, dude.